Mother duck sacrifices her life to save ducklings from snake in heartbreaking viral. A mother's love is so universal that it hardly needs to be defined. From humans to small rodents, every mother bears similar, if not exact, emotion for their offspring. Sudha Raman, an Indian Forest Service officer, recently shared a video that is both heartbreaking and heartwarming at the same time. The video features a shallow hole in the ground with dozens of ducklings and their mother, signifying that it is probably their home. But there is also a snake slowly sliding down into the hole, ready to feast on the abundant young prayers. The mother is immediately aware of the danger posed to her kids and she begins to push her chicks out, flapping her wings to shield them from the reptilian predator. She goes on explain her children outside the hole as quick as she can, literally throwing them out. Soon, the snake is completely inside the hole and has a hold on the struggling mother, but she does not stop, not until the last of her chicks are out safely and away from the danger. The video ends with the mother flapping her wings as the snake coils tightly around her, in preparation of devouring her. This is Dognity. Dog removes obstacle from blind man's way, wins heart of netizens. Social media is full of surprises. Every day we find something new, interesting, inspiring, funny on various social platforms. Now a heartwarming video of a dog helping a blind man by removing a tree branch from his way has gone viral. Kindness and compassion are traits that make any soul even more beautiful, while qualities like love, forgiveness are necessities. Serving mankind with kindness makes your life worthy. Not just humans, even animals have these qualities, and this off ball has proved it. If you want to understand kindness, take note from this dog you help a blind man. The police commissioner of Pune in India shared a video on his Twitter page that shows a dog was walking with the owner when he saw a blind man coming from the other side. A giant tree branch was kept on his way, and while his owner did not bother, the dog came to rescue. He came back and removed the stick so that the blind man does not falter and fall. What a kind gesture!